Hello everyone, welcome to your geography class. Today we are going to start here very interesting topic, that is weather and climate. See here, what is weather? Weather is the condition of the Earth's atmosphere at a given time. It can change drastically in 24-hour period, and weather is a mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Each day in our atmosphere, weather is different in different parts of the world and changes over minutes, hours, days and weeks. See, I have made few diagrams like in 24 hours it can change drastically, like sunny, cloudy, sometimes stormy, snowy, rainy and windy. Now see here children, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the mixture of gases that surrounded the earth. Weather takes place in the troposphere, okay, and the state of atmosphere at any particular place or time described using such elements or variables like temperature, precipitation, cloudiness, okay, air pressure, wind speed and direction, humidity, all these conditions. Fine. In simple way we can say the weather is the short term state of the atmosphere, and can vary from time to the time or location to location, and always include the time and location. Okay, so this is the definition of weather. Now we can see the definition of climate. Now climate is a long-term pattern of weather, or is the average weather pattern in area over many years. I have written here like 30 years or more. Okay, average weather over many years in one specific place. It includes temperature, hot or cold, and precipitation, that is wet or dry. Deserts are dry, rainforests are wet, North Pole is cool and equator is hot. Okay, so this is the definition of climate. See here the climate system. Chromosphere, where the ice and snow, land, the soil and vegetation, and ocean, rock, volcanoes, atmosphere. Okay, so this is the system of climate, the climate system. Fine. Now some effects of climate changes. Children, here are some effects of climate changes. See the diagram. Rising sea levels, more wars and drought, rising temperature, more animal extinctions, more and worse forest fires, more and worse storms, more heat related illnesses and economic losses. These are the effects of climate changes. Okay, so I hope you like the topic weather and climate. In next video we will discuss something another things. Okay, thank you class.